Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good, staying healthy, staying home and staying safe. Okay, so this is our new channel and we four sisters have combined together and we've come across here and made up this platform for you guys that we would make new videos on different topics and share it with you guys, be it any new product, be it DIY or anything, any shopping hauls or anything. So yeah, let's get started. Like you've seen my sister's previous video, the very first video, hand sanitizer one. There was a lot of likes there, but we need a lot of support from you guys. I hope you guys support us and help us grow. So thank you so much. Let's begin with this video. Today I'm going to review a perfume which I got recently. I mean, a month back I had purchased this and I was experimenting on this just to give you a good fair review. And so I have been wearing this perfume from past 1 month now and I have a good idea, like I can give a fair review on this now, so that if anyone wants to purchase can go ahead and purchase. Well, this perfume is from Zara that I have got, and I know there are many people who love Zara perfumes because they are quite affordable and they smell luxurious at the same time. And this perfume is quite unique for me. I mean, it will be unique for you guys as well, because I'm sure when I was searching for this before buying this, I was searching for the review on this. I couldn't get any, so it was a blind buy for me. So now I purchased it from Zara's official website. So in case if you guys like this perfume, the notes, and you guys agree with me, so you can go ahead and purchase it from Zara's website. I'm sure it must be available there, and if there's any discount running, then good for you. So let's get started now. So this is the perfume I am talking about. This I purchased from Zara's official website and it costed me around, it costed me for $9.90. It costed me for $9.90. It's not focusing. Okay. And it's Yellow Velvet. The name of this perfume is Yellow Velvet and it contains 100 ml of product. So it comes in this weekend collection. There are this weekend collection, then weekdays collection. So this comes in weekend collection. It's not focusing. There. So the shelf life of this perfume is, it was manufactured on 15th Jan 2020 and the expiry date on this is 15th Jan 2025. So 5 years shelf life is there, which is fair enough for a 100 ml bottle, of course. Okay, so this perfume, I have still kept the box because I wanted to give a good review on this. This is why it comes in this packaging. It's a very basic packaging and the bottle is like this. You see the color? It's the lime color, yellowish lime color. I hope, yep, that's the color of the bottle. It's such a cool color. It gives that summery vibes. Okay, so this perfume is it's a casual wear perfume. It's not very intense, so it can be worn on a regular day basis, like for colleges, for offices, and for any outings, a daytime outing. the smell of it is quite unique. And it has that zesty feeling of lemon and grass, and at the same time, you'll feel some warmth in it, but that only happens when the perfume settles down. It's a feminine perfume. It's warm and it's comfortable, as mentioned in the box. The notes that it carries is of peach, orchid and vanilla. I can clearly smell peach. Peach is there. Orchid, not very. Instead of orchid, I smell lemon somehow. Peach and lemon. And vanilla. Vanilla you smell only, and that too, vanilla is very little in this one. Once the perfume settles down, it dries down, then you can smell a little tint of vanilla in there, a little that bit of vanilla. So I'm just gonna try it again and tell you the clear idea in case I forget any notes or any information that I have to give. Yeah, so there's lemon. I can smell lemon, I can smell peach. I cannot smell vanilla at the moment. Like I said, once this perfume it settles down, like after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then you can smell a little vanilla in it, a very little vanilla. And this perfume, this is so good. It is excellent for summers. I clearly like this perfume, and definitely I would repurchase this once I run out of this. I will definitely repurchase it, and I highly recommend it to you guys. Just give it a shot and you will like it, especially for the ones who like very light smell, zesty smell, very fresh smells. They would love this, and it will also be loved by the ones who like intense smell, because it has that little warmth in it. So it will also be liked by the ones who like intense perfumes. Like I like intense perfumes, and this I'm liking it a lot. So it will be liked by the people who like intense perfumes too. Give this a shot. It was a blind buy, but I'm so happy that it turned out to be a good buy, So just go ahead, try this out, and in case you try it out, please leave your comments. I want to know how you felt, okay, after applying this, after using this. I want to hear from you guys. Please let me know. And this I purchased from official Zara's website. You can get it in the store as well. Usually the Zara perfumes, they don't have that good longevity power, but they smell luxurious, they are quite affordable, and at the max they last the longevity that they stretch up to is approx 5 to 6 hours. So the same goes with this one. On me, this one stays up to 4 to 5 hours. Like fresh intense smell that I get of this is up to 4 to 5 hours. So that was my review on this Zara perfume, Yellow Velvet. I hope you guys liked the review. In case you wanna leave some suggestion, or you want me to try some other perfume of Zara, please let me know in the comment section below. I will try my best to. So please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends, and also press the bell icon. If we upload any new video, you'll be straight away notified on that. And yeah, please support us and help us grow. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, guys. Bye. Take care of yourself.